How to earn money on Monopoly Go. First things first is just access the Monopoly Go app. Now, the very first thing that you can earn, or one of the things that you can earn money out of this game, is just by playing along with the game. So if you roll the dice, these specific steps has its own specific prizes and also includes money and dice, and as well as stickers. Now, the other thing to do is by completing one of these albums right here. So if you press one of these stickers, you'll earn around 69k, and other albums earn 82k, 89k. Now, it's going to be depending on the rarity of those albums. So, the more the rare the album, that's much that you get for that rewards for the money. So let's go to the very bottom part of this albums right here. So if we like choose a bit strange album, if you complete this album, you'll get 668,000 money out of this. Now the other thing to do is by inviting friends, simply go to the friends at the lower right and just copy the code or maybe share one of those codes using one of these social media platforms that you can see. So those are the things that you can earn money on Monopoly Go.